Today I want to give you some tips to help the beginner learn the ring muscle up. The first thing we're going to work on is the grip. You'll notice here this grip is what we call a standard grip, how somebody would normally grab the rings. This is not ideal for a ring muscle up. What we're going to do is what's called a false grip here. You see I'm getting my wrist on top of the ring here, and the ring is going right through the middle of my palm. This is going to aid you in transition when you're coming from underneath the rings to on top. Here's the regular grip again, and there's the false grip. The best way I've found to practice this transition is to get some low-hanging rings on the rig, establish your false grip. Again, we don't want the regular grip. Here's the false grip. Try to keep your knuckles pointed towards each other. And from here, we're gonna get underneath the rings and start performing some rows to get used to pulling the rings to our chest. You'll notice I'm pulling them directly to my sternum. I'm not letting my arms flare out, and I'm keeping my core tight throughout this row. Now comes the transition. I'm going to pull up to my sternum and then sit up to bring my chest over the top of the rings. You'll notice as I'm transitioning from the bottom to the top, my hands are not sliding along the rings. They're locked in that false grip, and that allows you to transition more efficiently. From there, just increase the speed at which you transition.